it falls upon me to invite Dr. Maggie Aderin-Pocock, the new Chancellor of the University of Leicester, for a period of 5 years.
This has been my official instalment, and it feels fantastic. The ceremony brought tears to my eyes. I didn't realise that I was the first person from an ethnic minority to be Chancellor of this university. And so yes, it feels like a historic moment, and I'm very proud to be part of that. The students graduating today, and it was lovely shaking their hands as they came up, because they look so proud, so, yeah, we've done it. And so to me, you've done it, but there's more to do. Because I want each and every one of them to reach for the stars, to have a big, crazy dream, which enables them to transform the lives around them. If I try and think back at some of the lessons that I've learned, there's been many, many different things. But I think one of the things that has really stuck with me, it's that that think big and think crazy. Sometimes we are encouraged to sort of mitigate our dreams. Don't dream too high just in case you fall over. The one thing I've truly learned is that success isn't about not falling over. Success is about when you do fall over, how you pick yourself up. But having a big crazy dream allows you to pick yourself up and go on and persevere and be resilient. So I think that is a lesson that all of us can have. Leicester was formed out of this passion to look past the First World War and set up a new legacy for the young men and women. It's wonderful that Leicester did that, and so let's work together to stimulate the next generation.